So for example, let me just play this video here so that you will see how it's playing. I'm going to show you 2 steps on how you can solve this very easily. The first step is that you're going to come to playback. When you're on playback, go to timeline proxy mode, then you are going to set it to quarter resolution. So as soon as you have set it to quarter resolution, you're just going to go on and play the video. So what you will need to do if the first method does not work for you is that you are going to come to this Davinci Resolve here, then you are going to come here. When you are on this settings right here, you are going to go to memory and GPU, but this is the main place here. So make sure that your graphic card is being selected. If you can't find any graphic card here, then I think you will need to update your graphics card. Just check this video here. You will see how you can update and how you can optimize some programs on your PC to detect your GPU. So when you check this here and it's not selected, if you check here and it's not selected, or if you have 2 graphics card here, you have, for example, Intel and Nvidia, so make sure you are going to click on the Nvidia, or if you are able to click on the 2 graphics card, then you can click on there. So as soon as you have clicked it on, you're just going to click on save, then restart the PC and go on. Does not work for you, just comment so that I will try checking on another way on how you can solve this problem on your PC. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos.